Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site logo and title in Elementor. This is an essential skill if you're looking to personalize your website and make it uniquely yours. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Pages or Posts, depending on where you want to edit. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll work with a page. Locate the page you want to edit, hover over it, and then click Edit with Elementor. Now that you have Elementor's editor open, look at the left panel. Here you'll find the navigator that makes it easy to select specific elements on your page. It's time to focus on replacing your current site logo. Look for the existing logo image on your page. Click on the image to select the image widget. Once selected, you'll notice the editor panel on the left shows the settings for this widget. Here, click Choose Image to open up your media library. Either select a new logo from the media library or click Upload Files at the top left corner if your new logo isn't already uploaded. Upload the new file from your device, making sure it's high resolution for the best appearance. When your image is uploaded or selected, don't forget to click the Insert Media button at the bottom right to finalize your selection. Now, your new logo should appear in place of the old one. Next, let's change the site title. This is generally found in your site's header or as text on the home page. Go back to your page within Elementor. Find the text heading that currently displays your site's title. Click on it to bring up its editing options. Once the text is selected, you can see its content displayed in the editor panel on the left. Here, simply enter your new site title. As you type, you'll notice the change updates in real time on your page. Be sure to play around with the typography settings like size, font, and color until it fits your desired style. This will ensure consistency with your brand aesthetic. Once you're done with these changes, don't forget to preview them. Click the eye icon located at the bottom left corner to see how your updates look across different device views. If everything looks good, click the green Update button in the bottom left corner to save your changes. Remember, this action makes your edits go live, so only do this when you're satisfied with how everything looks. Finally, go back to your WordPress dashboard and refresh your site's home page to ensure everything is updated and looking professional. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your site's logo and title using Elementor. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy customizing!